In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make the most of Whop, an innovative social commerce platform where creators can build and sell digital products, subscriptions, communities, courses, tools, and much more, all in one customizable hub. Whop is designed to streamline your creative endeavors by offering a centralized space to manage and monetize your digital content effectively. Let's start by taking a closer look at the different tabs that you'll encounter once you're on the Whop homepage. Right when you enter, you'll notice a couple of key sections. First off, there's the chat feature. This is where you can engage and communicate with fellow creators or customers, fostering a sense of community and collaboration. Next, we move on to the Earn tab. This is your go-to section to monitor and maximize the financial aspects of your Whop hub. It's designed to give you insights into your revenue streams and provide tools to enhance your earning potential in an organized manner. Then there's the Learn tab. This is a fantastic resource for gaining deeper insights and expanding your knowledge about the platform and its functionalities. It's a great way to arm yourself with the information you need to succeed. Now, if you click on the Marketplace, this is where most of the action happens. The Marketplace is your gateway to joining various campaigns where you can start earning money. It offers a plethora of opportunities tailored to different niches and interests. Feel free to dive into different campaigns and find the one that resonates with you the most. For beginners, Whop offers a special campaign designed to help you understand how Whop truly works. By joining this campaign, you can get a clearer view and practical understanding of the platform while setting the stage for future success. When you decide to join any campaign, it's crucial to pay close attention to their specific rules and guidelines. These guides are incredibly helpful, providing detailed instructions on how to create videos or content to meet campaign objectives effectively. Plus, they'll give you concrete details on earning potential, such as how much you can earn per 1,000 views. You'll also find information on the specific category and type of content the campaign requires, ensuring you're targeting the right audience. Additionally, it'll show you the platforms where your videos can be posted, maximizing your exposure and earnings. Lastly, we highly encourage you to explore other features of Whop. It's packed with tools and resources to help you build and expand your digital presence. By familiarizing yourself with all these functionalities, you can start making money while optimizing your creative output. We hope this guide gives you a solid starting point to navigate Whop effectively. So go ahead, explore, create, and as always, stay connected and innovative. Thank you for watching, and happy creating.